Hi everyone. Today let's talk about articles. Articles. They are the, a, and an. They point to words like the email, the address, the answer, the phone number, the name, the question. Then you can also have an email, an address, an answer. It's just one. An means one. A also means one, like a phone number, a name, a question. Usually we say a phone number, a name, a question. Both are okay. They're okay. So, why the difference? The is always the same. Why do you have an and a or a? We need to review the letters of the alphabet. There are two kinds of letters: vowels and consonants. Here are all the consonants. There are a lot of consonants. Let's look at the letters. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. There are a lot of consonants, but there are just a few vowels. A, E, I, O, U, and sometimes Y. Sometimes Y is a consonant. Sometimes Y is a vowel. Sometimes. When you say a word like bye, or bye-bye, the I sound makes it a vowel. When it is at the beginning of a word like you, you, then it is a consonant, or like yellow, then it's a consonant. So the vowels are A, E, I, O, U, and sometimes Y. Sometimes it's both. So look at the pattern one more time. An email. Here is a vowel. An address. A vowel. An answer. A vowel. Here, a phone number. You have a consonant. A name. You have a consonant. A question. You have a consonant. All right. I hope that helps. Remember, I know you are smart and you can do it. Have a great day.